Okay, 13 and 14 both use De Morgan's laws, so hopefully I can get through them both in one video. Use De Morgan's laws to rewrite the negation of the following statement. So up at the top there, I just took a screenshot of what De Morgan's laws for logic were, just to have them there. And our statement says, Anne is curious and impulsive. So, let's see. Anne is curious and impulsive. So if we let Anne being curious be P and Anne being impulsive be Q, what we're looking at is a P and a Q. However, we are being asked to negate that. And so that one is the top one. Please work, highlighter. Please work. There we go. That's that one. We're going to negate a P and Q. And so the De Morgan's laws said that to negate it, it would be logically equivalent to negating the P first and negating the Q second, but then doing an or. So if P is Anne is curious, then the negation of P would be Anne is not curious. Curious, spelling counts. And then this is an or. And then we come over to this one, or Anne is not impulsive. And that's what I'd be looking for. Anne is not curious, or Anne is not impulsive. Anne is not curious, or Anne is not impulsive. So it's D. D, 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 D. And then, wrong way, April, 15, sorry. It's another one with De Morgan's law. This one says, write the negation of the following statement. I am going to Boston or Lexington. Okay. So we're going to let I am going to Boston be the P, and I'm going to Lexington is the Q, and then in between you have an or. So what we have here is a P or Q, but we have been asked to negate that. Okay, so for this one, negate P or Q, that's this one here. And so the logic equivalent to that is this right here. It says you're going to negate P first, and then come over here and negate Q. And then there's an and in between. So saying that I am going to Boston, you're now going to say I am not going to Boston. This one says I am not going to Boston. This one also says I am not going to Boston. A and D say I am going, so it can't be A or D. But then the next part is where I will, figure it out, because this one has an and in it. That's an and. This one is an or, so it can't be this one. It's got to be B. But just to verify the rest, this part here, Q was they were going to Lexington, so the negation of Q is I am not going to Lexington. So it's definitely B. And that is the De Morgan's laws. examples.